We have left the province of Phetchabun and we are on our way to Bangkok. But on the way in Saraburi, we have found an amazing restaurant here. It's in the middle of highway, it's in the middle of nowhere. Maybe you will pass by it. Maybe you will not even notice. But if you do notice, make sure to stop and see what they're doing. Ini ครับไก่ย่าง
ไก่ย่าง
เอาต้มแซ่บครับ
ใช่ไหมคะ
ถ้วยเล็กใช่ครับถ้วยเล็ก
ขาหมูแล้วก็อะไรบอกนี่แล้วก็เอาอะไร
โอเคมะนาวโซดาแล้วก็เอาโค้กด้วยครับ So we finally have all our food on the table and this is something that I really like. It's called Tom Saap. It's a very sour salty soup with meat of your choice, but usually pork with bones. But this one is pork knee, pork knuckle. So it's going to be cartilagey, it's going to be jelly, it's going to be meaty. But what this place is known for is their kai yang, which is the grilled chicken. So this is namchin kai yang. Angel has added some lime. They don't charge for it. So let's see how it tastes like. Oh, I like this part. It has the skin. So juicy, right?
and crispy
Look how soft it is. It's not dry at all. It's so soft. It's literally falling off the bones. And what you can do is you can chase it with some sticky rice. Wow. The best part about this restaurant is their sauce. I don't think it's bought. I think they've made it. I think it's homemade. It's sweet. It has a lot of garlic into it. It's sour because of the lime, and Angel likes it because it's not that spicy. So it's really nice. But personally, I would like it a little bit more spicy. But this, I think it can't get better than this. Look at this. Hats off to the guy who's actually grilling it outside in the heat. He's grilled it to perfection. The meat is not at all dry. At first when I saw the chicken, I thought maybe it's going to be dry. But it's so delicious. It's so juicy. I can keep eating this whole day. It's that good. Wow. There's no doubt this is one of the best grilled chicken that I've had here in Thailand. I think it's the same for Angel. Alright, next up is the Tom Saap. So this is Tom Saap. I have ordered the Kha Moo version of Tom Saap, which is the pork leg. It's meaty, it's gelatinous. Look how soft it is. It's fatty. There's literally chunks of fat in it. It's so good though. There is mushrooms here and basil in it. There's some tomatoes. If you see the color of the soup is red. I think it's purely because of how much chilies they've added. It's really spicy. Usually people eat it with rice, but then since we have to drive a lot, we are very far from Bangkok. I don't want to fall asleep while I'm riding the motorbike, so we decided to eat it without the rice. Okay, I'll go for the first bite now. I'll go for the fat. Let's look at this. Look how soft it looks. It's pure fat. So delicious. It instantly just melts in your mouth. Look at this. This has got some meat into it. Some mushrooms. I think I can taste some galangal. I think they put the kaffir lime and the lime leaves. See, this one is dried here, the black one. This one is the fresh red chili. But it's the holy basil, the holy Thai basil, because I can see the floret. Look how big this piece of meat is. I think I'll give it a 7 out of 10. It's good, but this is definitely not the best I've had. It just keeps getting better in every bite, and some lime soda to chase it with. So refreshing. I think the Tom Saap is real worth of money. We ordered the half version of it. It's just 80 baht. But there's so much meat that it still doesn't finish. I'm having it for so long and there's so much more meat left. Look. It's well worth the price. We are so full right now, we can barely walk. So much food just costed us 360 baht, which is so cheap, so reasonable. And the best part is that you can share it with 3 people at least. And Angela loved it, I loved it. It was an amazing end to this journey. We are gonna be on our way home.